lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your weekly reading for March 1st to March the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So wag po kayong matakot sumali dahil friendly naman po, no? Ang community doon. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin. Nakakakilig dahil parang meron taong nagkakagusto sa inyo or meron kang nagugustuhan. You can switch the energies in here. Baka sabihin nyo, ay, baligtad po yan. Siya po yung nagkakagusto sa akin. That's okay, no? What I am reading is the dynamic naman. Pero kasi, ito yung parang relationship na hindi mo inaasahan, no? Kung kailan hindi ka naman naghahanap, tsaka naman siya dumating. Let's just say, may mga times pa nga na hindi ka katulad dati na eager, no? Maghanap ng relationships. It just so happened that itong taong to is dumaan, no? All of a sudden, parang siguro for a few numbers of you, you just broke up, no? And then, with the King of Pentacles, nagpakita ng motibo. With the Four of Pentacles, hindi ka pa masyadong, or itong taong to is hindi pa masyadong, sabihin nating, into the relationship. O sige, nakikita kita, but then it started with communication. I feel like itong communication na ito opened something na parang, uy, medyo intelihente, no? Marami tayong natutunan dito sa taong ito na parang somewhat, no, na check itong ating list, no? Probably, siguro yung iba sa inyo, nasa kanya din ang katangian in physical form, or baka wala rin, no? Pero nung nag-start, magkaroon ng communication, doon na kita na kaya pala, pwede pala, interesante din pala itong taong to. Sandali pa, inom lang. With the sun. So parang nakikita mo ngayon, unti-unti nang nai-in-love, no? Oh, chances are, for a few numbers of you, baka ito na yung part na mag-start tayong mag-conceive, no? Whether or not this is a serious relationship, this is a serious commitment, chances are may nangyayari now with the Earth Mother in here. This signifies conceiving, no? This signifies pregnancy, pwedeng first time or madadagdagan with the Two of Wands in here. I feel like mabilis yung mga pangyayari, but still I'm seeing things can work. And I believe that both of you, wala masyadong issues na nangyayari. In fact, pa-intense nga itong nangyayari sa inyong buhay. However, yun nga lang, medyo mabilis. So, wala naman sa bilis, wala naman sa bagal as long as things are harmonious. I feel like, yes, harmonious naman siya, kinakaya. Meron mga konting challenges, pero hindi katulad ng mga challenges na parang sinakluban ng langit at lupa, ano? With the Four of Athens and the Eight of Wands. So, parang dati nga, pati communication, medyo tamad pa tayong magbigay, mag-respond. But with the King of Pentacles, I think that this person's persistent, no? Parang medyo mapilit. In a way, nung una medyo nakakainis, pero nung nagkatagal nung medyo medyo matagal-tagal na, parang medyo nami-miss na rin natin yung gano'ng inis, I mean yung gano'ng inis, yung gano'ng, persistence, 'no, yung gano'n kakulit. With the Standing Stone, I feel like itong taong 'to hindi siya, parang tumitigil kung hindi, hangga't hindi niya nakukuha ang matamis mong oo. Itong taong ito parang hindi titigil na mapasagot ka or maging kayo, 'no? With the Four of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles, siguro nagsimula ito, dumating yung part na either meron kang ine-entertain na iba or meron kang crush na iba. So kaya medyo hindi mo masyadong binibigyan ng pansin, 'no? However, eto nga, nagkaroon ng chance, 'no, na magkaroon ng conversation and the star nakita mo or naisip mo na either nakakatuwa naman 'to, either comedic, pero nakikita mo kasi yung pagkaseryoso niya, yung pagka-eager niya, 'no? Parang, "Ako na yung piliin mo." May konting pagbebeg, may parang itong taong 'to, feeling mo kaya ka niyang itrato, 'no, as the star, 'no? Puwedeng this person's also placing you in a pedestal, binibigay niya yung lahat ng gusto mo or binibigay niya yung priority, 'no, for you. With the Sun, I'm seeing the Page of Chalice. Wow! You know what? Ang maganda dito parang nagkakaroon na kayo ng mga, dreams in life, 'no, together. So, it's either katulad ng sabi ko, building a family, lumipat ang bahay, magpundar ng mga gamit, 'no? With the Seven of Pentacles in here, I feel like you are actually waiting for something. I think that you are ready. If these things happen, I feel like sasabihin mo, "Oh, eto na, nangyari na." Given hindi ko pagsisisihan and I think wala naman tatakbo dahil nakita ko somewhat, 'no, kahit maaga pa itong relasyon na eto yung nagaganap, I feel like medyo minamadali din. I don't know but why minamadali. With the Queen of Items, I feel like someone already found the one, 'no? Parang sinabi niya, "Sure na ako, ikaw na." And I think that the other person is giving in as well. So parang naniniwala na rin na, yeah, we might be destiny, no? With the Eight of Pentacles, both of you are working on to be a better person, be a better partner for each other. But with the Nine of Items, I feel like meron lang kayong konting financial issues. Siguro walang definite, no, na work or pagkakakitaan. But from what I am seeing, hopefully, no, na makahanap na ng stable na job or makahanap ng stable na pagkakakitaan para sa mga dreams ninyo sa buhay. Ayan. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign. Pero bago po, no, ipaalala ko lang sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, dun po tayo nagla-live. Marami po tayong nagtatanong doon, no? So, pwede kayong sumali. Huwag pong matakot dahil friendly naman po yung mga tao doon sa ating Babaylan TV. Kung hindi niyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po answerable by yes or no. Yan. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, no? Name, number, QR code, amount per question. Ayan, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil ito po ay discounted. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Sagittarius, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing baka kapwa Sagittarius din ito, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Leo, Aquarius, no? Capricorn. Ayan, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste po and see you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye!
You want